Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit this photo. Okay, at first make a copy of this layer and then go to the filter, then camera raw filter. And after that I'll just add reduce some temperature, add some exposure, contrast, and reduce some highlights, give some shadows, add some whites and reduce some blacks, give some clarity. 9 is enough, and then variance and the saturation. After doing that, I'll go to the amount of sharpening and luminance of noise, and I'll go to the camera calibration and do like that, and the green also, and then color, and I'll go to the luminance of green and reduce the saturation of green and increase the yellow, decrease the saturation of red and orange, increase the luminance orange and red, and decrease the luminance of blue, increase the saturation of blue and aqua also, and hit the OK button. This one is the previous and the present one, and after that I'll go to just copy this layer and make it overlay option, vivid color option, vivid light option, and go to the filter and the other and the high pass. It will be 0.5% or 0.3% is good. I'm just doing this one for the sharpening image, and make a copy and make a merge of this one. After that I'll just copy this layer and make it the skin mode, and go to the blending options, and I'll find out the shadow or highlighted options. Okay, those are highlighted in this picture. Press the Alt button and just divide this and just make it like that. Hit the OK button and make a copy of this layer also, and just make it upper side of this layer and make it multiply, and I'll go to the blending options. After that, in these options I'll just find out the shadow of the image and make it divide by pressing Alt and press this one. Okay, that's good. Hit the OK button, and I should reduce the opacity of this one and the opacity of this flow or opacity of this one also. Okay, those are good, and make a group and march this one. And after this one I'll go to the filter and Google Nick collection and Color Efex Pro, and it will take time. Google Nick collection is the huge plugins that is if your PC is not the high configured, please do your PC updated, and after that you should install it one, just because of its loading process is time consuming, that's all. Okay, I'm using the cross processing, and I'll take a filter from here. I want to make it like a vintage type photo, that's why I have to choose the vintage filter like that. Okay, that's good, and hit the OK button. All are prominent here, that's why. And after that I'll just make a layer, new layer, which is the blank layer, and choose a color which is warm color like that, the yellowish color here, and hit OK button, and take the normal brush and first one and hardness 0% and 150 or 200 pixel. Okay, just click once and just watch here the opacity and flow is 100%, and then press Ctrl T and make it bigger. Okay, and hit OK button and place this flare properly. Okay, make it more bigger and hit the tick button, and just make a copy and merge, make a group of this one and merge it. And let's see what was the previous one. This one is the previous picture and the present picture. This one is the vintage effect. You can apply this one in your photo and it could be the best one. And thanks for watching my video tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend. If you have any type of query, please do comment on my video comment section. And till the next video, I am ASM Arif, just signing out, and thank you so much.